If you go, that is why we don't steal. Obruman kuma dapajanye. Obruman kuma dapajanye. Obruman kuma dapajanye. Osune chinyaba. Inka wayamino no nete no ne baye. Wayamino. Inka wayamino no nete no ne baye. Wayamino no nete no ne baye. Wayami wayami no nete no ne baye. Wayami Maba chiomala mo atoga gaga malamo jogbechie na lamuda chiomala mo atoga gaga malamo jogbechie na lamuda chiomala mo jogbechie na lamuda piao Ashe. Now let us all do the black power for all the ancestors. Yes. Yay, Kwamisaku. Etrupi, ewenwa, Kwamisaku. Ago. Amen. Oh, Mauga Sogbolisa. Mauga Kitikata. Mauga Adauto. Ochedi ampon Yankupon. Odomankuma Obatampa. Asasi ya Yemao. Insio a. Aya atukuo. Aya ebro. Aya yam aya esam. Ena yedi mamu. The chira say na mo hwia adasasu. Say na mo hwia yen nipa emoa enhoma ndua. Nyama nyina a ema nkwa. Ebua ma nipa yiedie ema nipa enkwa abrabo mu no. Madom yen aka yen ho dia. Enne ya akweside. Enne ya da kron ma ye nananom. Enti nananom mo begie. Yeguama Odomankuma yeguama asasi ya yeguama nananum ye ya yewa he na obia fie mi fie sa enso we no e de egum we ye senkyerene a e di adanse ye se ye di damu ase se mo hwe yensu mama ye bi edi mabo ye ho ban mama yakọ yaba asunje mu boni bi antu yen mo yi every sign or how amanie atiti yaridom yaridaho mpetuwo amanie mu a ye di damu ase e kire mu se asida enyamudia asido ago obatampa eno obatampa wo na we your batan nsuo ene nsuo niwa ene nsuo tini bia a ewo atiasifo asase we su no wo na wo ye nyina ye maame enti ye mawo dokodoko ade e kire yiedie enkoso banbo ayarisa nkunimdie ema ye nyina ye kra ene ya akwesida kronkron ene ye Sankofa women eda enti ye we edia ye ahyensudie edia ma wu the feminine energy ni say dombo ayen se ne ye awa ho ode etumi maniama etumi bo ho ewu I want to atuaso every da chirichiri ebe prisa emresante no ye ma wo sa we e kire se ye da wase ye sra yiedie ye sra adidede ewo ya brabo mu piao ago ochedi ampo nyankopon abatampa ade nyina so tumfo asa kokroko yemawonsa eno nkire se wo yakowensani na mo yemawonsa de kire se ma ensa da ema yen wo asase we koso anatra ho mayen na yendi di usu yentna usu na I want to atwaso enko na I want to atwaso embra tina ho mayen enti na yema wonsa. We call upon our great and worthy ancestors who struggled in the fight, who laid down their lives for we, the next generation, and the generation yet to come. We call upon them. We invoke all of them to come and then wine with us. They should come and wine with us. They should come and wine with us. They should come and wine with us. Yes. Abena bere mo abena. Abena bere mo abena. Wuye mi ya fere ma abena. Wanye mi Yesu ya fere ma abena abena. Abena bere mo abena. Hey. Abena bere mo abena. Wuye mi ya fere ma abena. Wanye mi Yesu ya fere ma abena abena. Bere mo abena. Let us all sing it out. Abena bere mo abena. Wuye mi ya fere ma abena. Wanye mi Yesu ya fere ma abena. For the last time. Abena bere mo abena. Abena bere mo abena. Wuye mi ya fere ma abena. Wanye mi Yesu ya fere ma abena abena. Abena bere mo abena. Wuye mi ya fere ma abena. Wanye mi Yesu ya fere ma abena. Amen. Amen. Not only Ghana, to us, Africa, the entire continent. It's a deity. If you go, that is why we don't steal. We don't tell lies. So the 42 laws of Ma'at, you go by it. So when that deity is being invoked to attack you and you are at fault, your vibration will give the signal to the energy. That is Yahweh. Yahweh. God of thunder, lightning, and justice. Yahweh. When it happens so, unless you have to get this asofla, sogbolisa, aso, that is the thunder god, that energy. Okay, you have to get this, and then it's going through. This one too you can use to prepare stew and chew as well. You use this plus. How many of you know hyssop? Yes. Yes. Then you mash it. You mash it and be pleading to the energy whilst you are doing that, saying your words on it before you used to spring.
Pray with this? Is that what you?
Yes, okay. Yes.
Mash it and pray?
Yes, yes. And so when that person is being arrested by that deity, these are the plants you use to, cleanse the body before you can touch it. If you think you are a pastor, a pope, or bishop, or whatever, go touch that body the deity will deal with you. The rituals must be performed to the body before the families can have access or touch the body, and then whether to bury or do whatever they want to do with. So because of that, in Africa, it is, it is these people who came to pollute us. Contamination. But divinely, that is why the revenge that we have to take, you see, we are not doing it as if they themselves even, are expecting it or expected it. We are not taking that revenge. By nature, naturally, we don't know how to take. So you see that we are fighting, but we are not killing them as what they did to us. You see, yeah, that is it. So what we have to do is we have to be helping one another, waking them up to rise up, wise up. Then we all move forward. Yes, rather than, going to kill them or attack them or whichever way. You see, by doing that, we become very strong and they cannot penetrate any longer. So all deals with. So by doing so, we have to go back to our roots for healings using the herbs. The spiritual aspect of the herbs, the physical aspect, the food, we use them as food that we eat and all that. Please, who would like to have this one? Maybe to go and prepare.
Can I just have a leaf or two? I don't have to have them.
Okay. So
I'll work it out of my life.
Let's share. You yourself, I don't know your system. I don't know yours. You can just clean it and chew, or if not so, you can keep it and wash it. So you take the one you want. We all share. In Twi we say kakra kakra, kakra kakra. Okay. Yes. Thank you for reminding me. This is Basil. So you should go around whilst they are. Oh, sorry. Basil, yeah. You can pick some, you crush it small like that, then you smell it. You can also use this to prepare your stew. Yeah. And the basil, fights. I'll come to you.
I want spaghetti.
From stress, if you are depressed, anxiety, you are stressed up. A lot of things are going on your mind. You don't know which one to tackle at a point. It's like this coming. Maybe raising your children. Some of your children are giving you problem. There is maybe relationship issue, work issue, and all that. So you use the basil as a healing power to yourself. Yes, you can. Okay, so you can use to prepare stew. You can, for tea, you can harvest it and then cut into pieces. Okay, then you dry. After that, you make fine powder with it. Then you take a teaspoonful of the powder into warm water. You stir. You add a little of pure honey, or you use date, the soft date. Yes, date. You mix it with it. Then you drink. Then you relax.
Okay.
Yes. So with that, you will be healed from that. This one is akoko mesa. In Ever we say koklogbe. Koklogbe, yes. Koklogbe. GBE.
You really threw me off. Akoko mesa. Good.
Akoko mesa. Akoko mesa.
Akoko mesa. I got it.
So it can go around then. You can.